Hi, my name is Rafael. I'm from Bronx, New York. I'm an electrical engineering major, and I'm part of the Alfred State football team. I chose Alfred State because when I came on my visit, I was very impressed with their academic support system that they offer to students on campus. Also, the football coach recruited me, and it just seemed like a good fit for me. What I like about electrical engineering major is that it's very hands-on, and that I came into here with absolutely no knowledge on electrical engineering major, and I just wanted to try something new and learn, because I knew that that's a great career path for me. My experience with the professors is very supportive and open when I do need them. They have all the answers to my questions that I offer, and they just really support me in everything that I do. Coming to college was really important to me and my family because I'm the first one to go to college out of the family. Alfred State put me on the field for success in and out of the classroom.
Hit the ground running at every stage.